Hey guys, welcome to Sharp Learners. This channel is solely dedicated to all the students out there. Hope you enjoy watching and learning it the smart way. So let's get started. Click on the subscribe button and hit the bell icon to make sure you don't miss any updates from us. We know humans learn from past experiences. Machines follow instructions given by humans. What if human can train the machine to learn from past data and to do what humans can do and act much faster? Well, that's called machine learning. But it's lots more than just learning. It's also about understanding and reasoning. So today we will learn about the basics of machine learning. Let's take an example. So that's Rohan. He loves listening music. Suppose Rohan is listening to some songs. He either likes them or dislikes them. He decides them on the basis of the song's tempo, genre, intensity, and the gender of voice. For simplicity, let's just use intensity and tempo for now. So here, tempo is on the x-axis ranging from relaxed to fast, whereas intensity is on the y-axis ranging from light to soaring. We see that Rohan likes the song with fast tempo and soaring intensity, while he dislikes the song with relaxed tempo and light intensity. So now we know Rohan's choices. Let's say Rohan listens to a new song. Let's name it as Song A. Song A has fast tempo and soaring intensity, so it lies somewhere here. Looking at the data, can you guess whether Rohan will like the song or not? By looking at Rohan's past choices, we are able to classify the unknown song very easily, right? Let's say now Rohan listens to a new song. Let's label it as Song B. So Song B lies somewhere here with medium tempo and medium intensity, neither relaxed nor fast, neither light nor soaring. Now can you guess whether Rohan likes it or not? Not able to guess? Are the choices unclear? Correct. We could easily classify Song A, but when the choice became complicated, as in the case of Song B, right? And that's where machine learning comes in. Let's see how in the same example for Song B. If we draw a circle around the song B, we see there are 4 votes for like, whereas 1 vote for dislike. If we go for the majority votes, we would say that Rohan would definitely like the song. That's all. This is a basic machine learning algorithm, also called k-nearest neighbors. So this is just a small example in one of the many machine learning algorithms. Quite easy, right? Believe me, it is what happens when the choices become complicated, as in the case of Song B. That's when machine learning comes in. It learns the data, builds the prediction model, and when the new data point comes, it can easily predict for it. More the data, better the model, higher will be the accuracy. There are many ways in which the machine learns. It could be either supervised learning, unsupervised learning, or reinforcement learning. Let's first quickly understand supervised learning. Suppose your friend gives you 1 million coins of 3 different currencies. Say 1 rupee, 1 euro, and 1 dirham. Each coin has different weights. For example, a coin of 1 rupee weighs 3 grams, 1 euro weighs 7 grams, and 1 dirham weighs 4 grams. Your model will predict the currency of the coin. Here, weight becomes the feature of the coins, while currency becomes the label. When you feed this data to the machine learning model, it learns which feature is associated with which label. For example, it will learn that if a coin is of 3 grams, it will be a 1 rupee coin. Let's give a new coin to machine. On the basis of the weight of the new coin, your model will predict the currency. Hence, supervised learning uses the labeled data to train the model. Here, the machine knew the features of the object and also the labels associated with those features. Let's move on to unsupervised learning and see the difference. Suppose you have a cricket dataset of various players with their respective scores and wickets taken. When we feed this dataset to the machine identifies the pattern of the player's performance. So it plots this data with the respective wickets in the x-axis while runs on the y-axis. While looking at the data, you will clearly see that there are two clusters. The one cluster is of the players who scored high runs and took less wickets, while the other cluster is of the player who scored less runs but took many wickets. So here we interpret these two clusters as batsmen and bowlers. The important point to note here is that there were no labels of batsmen and bowlers. Hence, the learning with unlabeled data is unsupervised learning. So we saw supervised learning where the data was labeled and the unsupervised learning where the data was unlabeled. Then there is reinforcement learning, which is a reward-based learning, or we can say it runs on the principle of feedback. Here, let's say you provide the system with an image of a dog and ask it to identify it. The system identifies it as a cat, so you give a negative feedback to the machine saying that it is a dog's image. The machine will learn from the feedback, and finally, if it comes across any other image of a dog, it will be able to classify it correctly. This is reinforcement learning. To generalize machine learning model, let's see a flowchart. Input is given to a machine learning model, which then gives the output according to the algorithm applied. If it's right, we take the output as final result. Else, we provide feedback to train model and ask it to predict until it learns. So I hope you all understood supervised, unsupervised and reinforcement learning. Also, if you're new and haven't checked the previous videos, do go and check right now. You'll find all the links in the description box below. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Also, you can comment for topics that you want me to post in the comment section below. All the best for your future guys. Stay tuned for more interesting videos.